Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will walk you through on how to download and save image on Craiyon. Ready to save your AI-generated masterpiece from Craiyon? Follow these easy steps to download and save your image. Begin by visiting the Craiyon website at crayon.com. Craft a captivating prompt that describes the image you want to create using the AI. Then click on Draw. Once the AI brings your vision to life, select the desired image by clicking on it. In the lower right corner of the image, you will spot a small image icon. Give it a tap. You are almost there. Your image will now be downloaded and saved to your computer. With just a few clicks, your AI-generated masterpiece is secured for you to enjoy and share. Embrace the magic of Craiyon and start building your collection of unique images today. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.